Guys, please disregard the hair that's on my shirt. That's from me plucking, and I actually didn't even realize it was there. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm going to be like really doing like a wrap-up review on this hair. And the beginning clips you all seen me style it and everything. The company of this hair is Ywigs. Okay, so I have reviewed this company before and I had a pretty good experience. So I am reviewing them again, of course. So anyways, this is not gonna be too long. I'm just gonna go over the specs of everything. So basically this is their WaterWave wig. I'm going to make sure right now on my phone. So yeah, this is their human hair bob WaterWave wig. Y'all already know I love me some WaterWave hair first and foremost. So I was just like, yes, you know, it's the summertime. I like things that you don't have to do a lot to. Like when I'm going to work, I want to just like go out the door. I don't want to be having to comb hair, curl hair, you know. I just want something easy, and this is easy. Now at first I thought the bob was going to be a little too short. I just didn't know at first, but you know, when I took it out the pack, I'm like, okay, this is nice. When I took it out the packaging, I'm like, okay, this is nice. Not too short, not too long, but we'll see. The hair did come a natural brown color, as for all virgin hair does, but I did dye the hair jet black. If you all can see, I'm not very good at like dyeing dyeing hair, but I did dye jet black. I didn't get the roots too well because I was so scared I was gonna like dye the lace, which I did a little bit. But yeah, I did color it jet black. And also the cap construction, I really like the cap constructions on these wigs. Like I really do. The wigs come pre-plucked and they come with baby hairs, and I love that. Like I didn't have to do a lot of work with this wig. Do you see like the hairline? The hairline just looks super natural, and that's because the way that they construct it, they don't put a lot, they don't make the hairline super thick. When it comes to the hairline, they pre-pluck it and they don't put a whole bunch of hair here to where it's like bulky or anything. They don't do that, and I love that. I love the fact that they've done the hard work for you. Like, and I said that in my last video, like they've done it for you, and basically you can just put it on. Like I plucked it a little bit. Yeah, I did. I plucked it a little bit and I kind of laid the front a little bit. But as far as really having to do that, I really didn't just have to do that because everything was already plucked. It was already done. So like I said, the hard work was done for me. I don't like when I get wigs and weaves where the hairline is straight across, because now I have to find out, you know, pluck to my hairline, pluck, they over plucking. So I just didn't have to do that with this wig. As far as bleaching the knots, I did not bleach my knots. You all know, if you've been following me for a while, y'all know I don't bleach my knots. I just put makeup on my knots. So I did put makeup on them. I just used like some old foundation and just put it on my part and a little bit on my knots to make everything look a little bit more flesh tone. Okay, so it can look natural, and I am telling you guys, I am loving this style. I'm gonna get up a little bit closer so you all can see what I have going on. So this side over here, I just have it kind of swoop to the back, and I just kind of like, you know, put it behind my ear just because it's just cute. I like it like that. And this side, you know, I just laid a few baby hairs, and that's all I did. And I wet the hair with some what is this, conditioner, water. I use any kind of conditioner, guys. Like here's some this is the shampoo, but I also use the conditioner. I put it in here, you know, and this is $1 at Dollar Tree, and that is the kind of conditioner that I use. So that's, and I also used some of this, which is called Smooth Edges, but I don't really use it on my edges. I use it, it kind of has the consistency of edge control. So I kind of lay it like on the hair because it gives me like that kind of sheen like that. So the next thing that I used was this right here. This is like some Just For Me Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. I used some of this. I've been using it kind of on my curly hair lately. And basically, I know y'all probably like, you know, where you getting these products from? I do my little cousin's hair. So these are the products that I use on her head. So I'm just like, leave-in conditioner, and then this. So I just started using it. She has really curly hair. So it's really helped in my curly hair routines. So yeah, and like I said, the hair was very easy to work with. Let me show you kind of like the back. So that's kind of what it looks like in the back. Okay, nice and curly. The wig is very full. Like the wig is full without being like too full, but it's full, it's nice. My hair is currently dry. Okay, it just has a little bit of sheen from this. okay? And the hair has a natural luster to it already, and adding this, it just gave me like that nice look, okay? Everything, the lace, I had no problems with the lace. The lace is not like real sensitive. Normally if I use like my hot comb, I like burn holes through the lace. Lace is not real sensitive or anything. Like everything was great. One thing about it is these wigs kind of come cut like this. So in the back it's a little bit shorter, and on the sides it's a little bit longer, okay? You all can probably barely tell, but yeah, it's a little bit shorter in the back. So, but that's not a problem, because on the side I was just like, I don't know about that, you know, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to be cutting all into it and stuff. No, it really worked out. It really worked out. And then I was like, well, I'm gonna have to wear my hair in one style. I'm gonna have to wear it in the middle, because if I don't, I'm gonna have to cut it. It's gonna look weird. It looks good. Like, I think it actually looks good. You can barely even tell it has like that asymmetrical look going on, because it's, you know, it's barely noticeable. But I feel like this is the perfect hair. This is definitely some get up and go hair. Definitely. And you can style it however you want to. This is an ear-to-ear frontal. It's not like a full lace wig or anything, but it is an ear-to-ear frontal, and you can just do, you know, you can do whatever you want to do with it. And I think that's what I like about it. I love like effortless hairstyles like this, and I think we all like hairstyles like this, and we all on the look for hairstyles like this, and I just love it. It was, like I said, quick and easy to put on, pretty much just out the box, and I have it on. These Ywigs, I'm sorry, that was a mouthful. Ywigs wigs are very user friendly, and I love that about them. It's for a first time wig wear, if that makes a lot of sense. I think that makes perfect sense. It's for a first time wig wear. It's for somebody who doesn't have a lot of experience in wigs, who maybe wants to start wearing wigs. You want to hop into the wig game, you know, slide into the wig game. That's who they cater to. That's what I feel like. The ease of putting this wig on is amazing. From my last video, you all were telling me, hey, I went and got this wig, and it really is easy to put on. Like, you all send me DMs, emails. It's easy to put on. It came with, and I don't know anything about wigs, it came with hairs. You know, I really like the company, and I feel like the company keeps the consumers in mind, and I think that's what I love most about them. They send wig caps and all kind of stuff. Oh, and this wig also comes with a comb here, and also like combs and adjustable strap in the back, okay? But I did lay I did secure the combs, and I did lay my frontal part down. So anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered all bases. I really don't want this to be too long, because I know sometimes I can get to rambling, but I feel like I covered all bases, and I think that's pretty much it. Here's one last look at my hair. Okay, it was just so pretty. I just love it so much, and it looks so freaking natural. I've been on the hunt for this type of wig. But anyway, one last look at my hair before I log off, and I think that's it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I will get back to you. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.